This is how I make Kabbalah videos so you can benefit from them, even if you're completely unfamiliar with the topic. Besides for the cameras, the lighting, the editing, and the scripting, even the microphones, I have a separate point that I want to make in this video. First, I want to tell you how I do it, but mainly I have a very deep point that will come across when we understand and explore this process. I must confess, I don't know how to edit videos and make graphics. So how do we get all these amazing things out there? Well, I send written diagrams like this, together with a bunch of instructions and a script to an editor I found online after trying some who didn't do a very satisfactory job. I did a lot of research on cameras and lighting. We ended up getting a Sony FX30 and a ZV-E10. Just saying, this video is not sponsored by Sony in any way. So after opening a Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee membership page, which offers members special perks like early access and exclusive content, you can join, by the way, by clicking one of the links in the description. I realized that I really started working on this channel 3 years before I even opened it. I started imagining in my mind how these deep ideas and concepts can be explained in a simple way, to make them presentable, simplified, and demystified. But you know something crazy? This is not even about the videos. It's really about you. I wanted to bring these ideas to you. The video is just how I get those ideas over. The cameras are just how I get the ideas from me to the video. And the editor is just how we get the ideas organized in an easy to understand form. But the main idea of all this is really you, so you can understand it. And the animations, they just make it easier to follow. And that's the hidden message over here. God created us humans for a deep purpose, so we can connect to Him in the deepest way possible. And it's sort of a two-way relationship. All the spiritual things in heavenly realms, like angels and worlds, are all there for the pure purpose of me and you. You see, in this physical universe, all we see is physicality. But really, there's spiritual layers deep within it. Within this reality, there's a deep spiritual message, and within that message, there's a concept. And within that, there's how all this was imagined by God. All the diagrams we use in these videos are only to help us follow and understand the depth beneath them. So you need to make sure to see beyond the diagrams. Remember that it's spiritual and infinite, beyond time and space. And that's what all this is. It's a diagram to help understand what they represent and the structure they present. Just wanted to take this opportunity to give a shout out to all of our Buy Me a Coffee members and Patreon members, which really make this channel possible. We also have opportunities for live streams, live chats, and phone calls. If you're interested, make sure you check out our Buy Me a Coffee and Patreon pages with links in the description below, somewhere at the top. Otherwise, this video popping up right here is what the YouTube algorithm thinks is best for you. I think it means that it changes, depends on who's watching. In any case, thank you for watching, thank you for joining and staying till the end, and see you next time.